Hi guys, Fonzie here from TM Motorsport on the Saturday sesh. This time we've got a bit of a V6 here. Another one of these guys that have fitted camshafts. Probably really didn't need to, has been torqued in. This one was a bit of a mess up from, I think they call them rev high tune. So yeah, basically I wouldn't take your car there if you're going to get it done. We end up with a lot of their cars. We call them rev low. It's usually got a lot of problems, and then you feel pretty low after getting your car done there. So what we've done is we've tried to correct everything. These aren't the best platform to do it on. We much prefer the LFX motor with the E39A processor. This hasn't. This has got the older model processor, and a lot of parameters aren't there. It's very basic and very primitive, so realistically I wouldn't be going too crazy on the standard ECU. So anyway, we've tidied it up. We'll give it a run and we'll show you the graphs before and after. And the main thing about it was, yeah, it had a lot of problems in the mid-range. So realistically, you were losing a lot of power in there, and the car was jerky, and the timing was coming in and out, and they had the snap, crackle and pop, and eventually bang tune in there as well. So, which is pretty easy for anyone who wants to do it. You just go to the 0% tables, put all negatives in there, so all the guys that want to go and do the snap, crackle and pom and eventually bang tune, I can teach you for free. So basically put negative 10 or 15 in the left columns, and away you go, and you've got snap, crackle, bomb and bang. We'll run it up, hopefully we'll fix it up for the owner and see what we'll get out of it. Okay, very respectable 233 rear wheel kilowatts. We've got the fuel numbers all correct, mid-range torque numbers correct, everything we want. So what we'll do is have a quick look at it. Okay, that's how the car come in, 212 rear wheel kilowatts. And you can see now that we've fixed the tune, we've actually richened it up too. You can see these numbers here, so it's a lot safer as well. The main issues that we did fix on the car, get rid of that one, is through here. Naturally with the camshafts they do have a bit of a phase, but they had uncontrollable timing through these mid-ranges. So we fixed that up, and what we've done is we've got a chunk of power, but mainly over here we've got a chunk more of torque. So basically that's what we've been able to do with less timing through that range as well. So guys, they're not my ideal platform, but we can fix it up. Again, my big suggestion is if you're buying the Mace cams, don't bother, save your money, just tune it standard, you don't need it. Put one of these intakes on, or the VCM, whatever you may choose, and set of headers on it, and away you go. But if you're looking to buy one, I would also recommend highly buying the 2012 model onwards with the LFX engine. It's a lot better platform, a lot better computer system, a lot better car to start with. So until next time guys, we'll have some more V6 tuning, but that's what you can do when you do it right. When you do it wrong, that's what happens.